Scottish porridge is more than just breakfast. It's a beloved tradition that has been passed down through generations. Imagine waking up on a chilly morning in the Scottish Highlands, surrounded by breathtaking landscapes. The air is crisp and the smell of burning peat fills the air, adding to the cozy atmosphere. You come downstairs and sit by the fire, ready for a hearty breakfast to warm you from the inside out. The fire crackles and the warmth envelops you. That's where Scottish porridge comes in. It's the perfect start to your day. This simple dish, made with just oats, which are often stone ground for a unique texture, water and a pinch of salt, has fueled generations of Scots, providing them with the energy needed for their daily tasks. Don't let its humble ingredients fool you. When made right, Scottish porridge is creamy, comforting and utterly delicious. It's a dish that brings people together. Ready to try it for yourself? Let's get started on this delightful journey into the heart of Scottish cuisine. Before we begin our porridge-making adventure, let's gather our essential ingredients. Don't worry, you likely have most of these staples in your pantry already. Rolled oats, the star of the show. Make sure you're using rolled oats, not instant or steel cut. Water, we'll use water as our primary cooking liquid. Salt, a pinch of salt enhances the flavor of the oats. Optional extras: milk for creaminess, butter for richness, honey or maple syrup for sweetness, fresh or dried fruit for a touch of sweetness and texture. Nuts and seeds for crunch and added nutrition. Now that we have our ingredients prepped, let's get cooking. Today we're going to make a traditional Scottish porridge that is both hearty and delicious. This simple recipe is perfect for a cozy breakfast or a comforting snack. Follow these easy steps and you'll be enjoying a bowl of creamy Scottish porridge in no time. It's a dish that's not only nutritious but also incredibly satisfying. 1. Combine the oats, water and salt in a saucepan. Make sure to use high-quality oats for the best texture and flavor. Use a ratio of 1 part oats to 2 parts water. This ratio ensures a perfect consistency that's neither too thick nor too runny. For example, for 1 serving, use half a cup oats and 1 cup water. Adjust the quantities based on how many servings you need. 2. Place the saucepan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a boil. This step is crucial for cooking the oats evenly. Stir occasionally to prevent the oats from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Consistent stirring helps achieve a smooth texture. 3. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally, or until the porridge has reached your desired consistency. You can make it thicker or thinner based on your preference. Remember, it will continue to thicken as it cools, so if it seems a bit runny, give it some time to settle. 4. Remove from heat and let stand for a minute or 2 before serving. This resting period allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. This allows the porridge to settle and the flavors to meld. Serve your porridge with your favorite toppings like fresh fruits, nuts, or a drizzle of honey for added sweetness. Here's the fun part. Customizing your porridge is where you can really get creative and make it your own. Once your porridge is cooked to perfection, you can start adding your favorite toppings to enhance the flavor and texture. Here are a few ideas to get you started on your porridge customization journey. Sweet toppings: honey, maple syrup, brown sugar, fresh or dried fruit like berries, bananas, raisins and dates, or even jam. These sweet toppings can add a delightful burst of flavor to your morning meal. Creamy toppings: milk, cream, yogurt or nut butter. These can make your porridge rich and smooth. Asterisk crunchy toppings: chopped nuts like almonds, walnuts and pecans, seeds such as chia seeds, flax seeds and pumpkin seeds or granola. These crunchy toppings add a satisfying texture. Each topping adds its own unique twist to the porridge, making every bite a new experience. So feel free to experiment and find your perfect combination. Enjoy the process and make your breakfast truly special.